Welcome to OrderEm. This video will guide you to publish your online store within minutes. All you need to have is the following information handy to complete your profile and hit the publish button. As we finish this video, your business information, your business operating hours, your product details or menu, order settings, pickup settings, payment information. After creating the OrderEm account with Clover, please click on the login button. Then the automatically login page is displayed. In the login page, which email and password you used in registration, please enter the details here. Finally, click on the login button to log in. After the login, the address page will open automatically. Fill your business address and click the save button. Next, please open the hours page and add your business open hours. Now, click on the menu item products tab from the left tree and you will land on the menu page. Here you can see an option to import from Clover. Click on this button to import your menu from your Clover account. Select the categories from the pop-up to import your menu. Next, please add any one order type like pickup or delivery. If you need to add custom order types, please add using the order settings page. If you want to set tax or any other settings, please use the order settings page and save. If you want to change your business URL or any other settings, please use the key information page. Next, please enter your business payment information in the payment page. After completing all the mandatory details, please click the publish button and your business will be published successfully. Now your business store is online now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and were able to publish your website on the go. In case of any queries, feel free to get in touch.